began a test of the NWS radio tone and same alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NWS radio and same alert systems. Flood warning remains in effect until tomorrow afternoon. Moderate flooding is occurring and moderate flooding is forecast. Areas affected include Connecticut River and Taunton. When? Until tomorrow afternoon. This is a test of NWS radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming. Recreation forecast for summits of Mount Monadnock and North Monadnock Mountain. The rest of today, mostly cloudy.